there, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Nur bin Adnan, and I'm from public speaking class section 304. And for my vlogging assessment, I want to talk about rape. Whose fault? Let us define what is rape. Rape is unlawful sexual activity, and usually sexually intercourse carried out forcibly or under threat of injury against a person's will, or with a person who is beneath a certain age or incapable of the valid consent, maybe because of mental illness, mental deficiency, intoxication, unconsciousness, or deception. So when we talk about rape, the main argument that always come up to our mind, is it rape? Is it the victim's fault or the rapist's fault? To begin with, if you are one of the person that put the blame on the victim, actually you are the one, you are the problem, you are the one who need to be fixed. You are the reason that why rapists believe that it was not their fault. If you're blaming the victim, you believe that the punishment should not be given to the rapist, but rather should be given to the victim. So there are some group of people that say rape, the victims is the one who we should put the blame on. They are the one who wear something sexy, they are the one who wear something appealing, but it's their fault to trigger the rapist sexual urges. But I used to agree with this statement. Actually part of me right now is still agree with this statement. They may be the cause, they may be the trigger on with how they wear, what they wear, and how they represent themselves in public. But I believe that it is not their fault. It is not the victim's fault. If you say that women shouldn't wear something sexy, shouldn't wear something appealing, then there are also rape cases involving Muslim women that have covered up all their body, with jubas and hijab. But still, there are this kind of rape cases. And if you say that women need to avoid all the situation that may lead to rape, so actually they wouldn't be able to even leave their house, even wouldn't be able to even leave their own room, because right now in our society right now there are many cases, rape cases that involving rape that happen in their own room. So people rape in many different situations, many different times, many different locations. So if you say that women shouldn't do something or shouldn't go to some place that may lead them to be raped, it is actually just you simply being an ignorant person. Many women are raped by someone that they know. So should they totally avoid people that they know? Should they avoid their father? Should they avoid their brother? Should they avoid their friends? So think about it. If you take an example, like many women are raped in parking garage, right? So if a woman have been raped while walking back to her car, you see that it's her fault to walk back to her car, right? So if you look back at the questions, do you know how ridiculous, how terrible it sounds? It is not her fault to walk back to her car, but still people and society constantly doing this kind of thing to the rape victims. They ask something, they ask questions, asking questions, and they search if the rape victims have made a mistake that make them vulnerable, and the society claim that the vulnerability of the victim makes the rape as the victim's fault, not the rapist's fault. So for me, the whereabout and the victim, what the victim doing, actually a minor detail, and what the details that concern me the most is the fact that she was actually being raped, and the details like location, times, and the state of victim is actually the details that that should only be used to prove whether the rapists are guilty or not, and should not be used to put the blame on the victim. To conclude, rape is an act of outrageous violence. Rape occurs because of rapists. It is that simple. Without rapists, there will be no rape cases. So that's conclude what I want to say. That's my 2 cents. If you have another opinion, just comment below, and I'll try my best to reply. I hope you enjoy watching, and do like and share this video with your friends and family. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.